Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. There is a huge good news from Cursor that Graphite is joining with Cursor. Now what is Graphite? Those who don't know, Graphite is actually a platform where you can manage your code, means you can manage the pull request, you can manage the code review, you can manage the code merge, etc, etc. By the way guys, I am not promoting Graphite, I am not promoting Cursor, I have not got any money from them. I had just found that this joining of Graphite and Cursor is a huge move in the software development workflow, and this joining of Graphite and Cursor will make the developer life very easier in the upcoming days. How? So nowadays we all can write code. Even a 5-year-old boy also can write the code with the help of AI if he has some knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript and any frameworks like Angular or any libraries like React. If he has the knowledge of syntax, then he can easily write the code with the help of one structured meaningful prompt, and he also require one good model like Claude or Gemini 3 Pro, or there are many models who have the good coding capability. One structured meaningful prompt and one good model, with the help of these two things anyone can write the code. But the problem was the code review code merge. So this is the thing that many people will say you that coding was not a problem. Means nowadays with the help of AI coding is not a problem. Means if someone tells you that please build this feature, then you can easily give that prompt to the AI and AI can write the code. Now the thing is that after writing the code, if that code is actually a meaningful code, or if that code is a qualityful code, that is the problem. Here you see that the concern about AI generated code quality have been a major focus for Graphite. We have invested deeply in ensuring that code written with the help of AI is safe and high quality. So together with Cursor, we are going to double down on that and help teams build secure, efficient and high quality products. So many people are building that feature with the help of AI, but that code quality is secure or not. Okay, sometimes AI writes the code but it doesn't follow the actual proper guidelines for securing the code. So in that case, if your company follows the policy that whatever code you will write, it should follow the security policy, or you should have this syntax, or you should have these comments. Whenever you will write, you have to maintain the comments properly. Okay, so if your code doesn't follow that policy, then you will definitely your code is not a quality code, right? So this is a thing that will be maintained by this Graphite. So inside Cursor, what was there till now, that you can write the code, and yes, they had the code review platform, AI code review. By default they had the feature, but that was not that much powerful like the Graphite. So inside Graphite, if you go graphite.com, here you see the next generation of code review. So Graphite is the AI code review platform where teams ship higher quality code and faster. And also you have to remember one thing. If you Many people are comparing this Graphite with the GitHub. See, there is a some kind of difference between the GitHub and Graphite. So GitHub is a platform where you can just host your code base. It is kind of repository, right? And also GitHub has some kind of code review feature, like you can raise the pull request, and you can review that, but their code review feature is not that much powerful as the Graphite. So in GitHub, let's say you have created one feature and you have raised a pull request, and then your manager or your senior developer will review that code and will merge that. But here inside this Graphite, this process is more smoother than the GitHub. Means here in this Graphite, they have a stack diff feature. Okay, so if you go to this feature inside this Graphite, here you see that for merge we have a merge queue option. For review, we have a Graphite agent. An AI reviewer you can collaborate with. AI reviews get immediate actionable feedback. PR page smarter, faster editing with built-in AI and insights. Okay, and another thing is that stacked feature. Okay, so stack diffs. What is stack diffs? So normally, if I show you with the help of an example, uh, okay, this is the image here you see. So left side is the pull request and right side is the stack div. So normal the traditional flow is that you have built one feature. Let's say in your project you require the db, you require the auth system, you require the ui feature. Now after developing all of that feature, you have raised the pull request. Okay, and now your senior manager or your senior developer will review that, and after that if there is any changes, then again you have to work that. But the stack div means you are not making that all of that features together. You are raising the pull request for small changes. Okay, means for auth you are raising the pull request. For ui changes you are raising the pull request. For db changes you are raising the pull request. And here you see that this is exactly shown in stack divs. This is a branch where you are writing the code, and then you are you have written some portion of the code and you are sending it for review. And then when sending it for review, then you are then again continuously in parallelly you are building another feature inside that code. Okay, then after that feature got built, you are sending it for review. Then parallelly you are adding another feature, or you are working on another another code. Okay, so this way you see that your code your feature got also built and your code also getting reviewed parallelly. So in this way developer will feel that yes, our team is progressing, and also your work also really will progress. So this is concept stack div which is supported inside this graphite, and this is the exact big feature. And yes, if graphite joins with the cursor, that means that less waiting, fewer review bottlenecks, faster shipping, higher confidence in changes. Okay, means let's say that after reviewing the code, your manager saying that they have found that you have to do some changes in this code or in this pull request. Okay, so then you will go to that portion only and you will just change that. Then it will be very easier for you to manage that whole code base, right? So this is a thing that that's why this Graphite is joining with Cursor, an end-to-end AI coding platform. So previously inside Cursor we were writing the code only, and but there was no proper code reviewer, code merge, code pull request manager. But after this acquisition of Graphite inside Cursor, this Cursor is an end-to-end coding platform. Means you can write the code, you can manage the code, and you can do all of that things. Okay, so inside Graphite also, if you go, many people are actually using it. This Shopify is using it, and also this Sana is using it. Okay, many popular big companies are actually using it. Okay, and yes, so this much I wanted to share with you guys. And also this person is telling that I am telling you GitHub's biggest competitor will soon be Cursor. Cursor playing chess, everyone else is busy with checkers. So here you see clearly the best AI code review plus tag divs plus PR workflow team and amazing team. So um, in the coming days, Cursor will be the biggest competitor of GitHub. And this person is saying, and you see that the way Cursor is moving, the Cursor is adding the feature. This can be happened, right? Yes, so this is a thing. I hope that you got to know many things from this video. If you have any confusion in your mind, just let me know in the comment section. And if you want to get this type of videos more, don't forget to subscribe this channel. And here you see that I have already made several videos on the function gamma and this free Cloud Sonnet 4.5, the recent Mimo v2 Flash model, Gemini 3 Flash model. Okay, so please to check out that videos also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.